I'm Dr. Ernesto Ong. I'm a pediatrician. I graduated at De La Salle University in the Philippines, and I did my residency in St. Joseph Hospital in New Jersey. It's always been medicine since the start. When I saw, I have a sister who's also a doctor, and when I grew up, I see her, doing her studies and going to residency and being a doctor. I always dream about being a doctor someday, and that's what I did. My medical specialty is pediatrics, and I see old kids up to 18 to 21 years old. Of course, I like kids a lot. I enjoy being involved with the family, especially seeing all these kids grow up and have their own family some later, and coming back here and being my patient all over again. So it's like second generation. So when they see them have their own families and have their own kids, that's the most gratifying moments for me. The most important qualities of being a pediatrician is patience. It takes time to deal with kids with their problems and also dealing with parents. When patient comes in, I want them to be comfortable with me. When I see my patient, we're both having fun. At the same time, we play with each other. At the same time, especially when they're coming in for well child visit. If it's video games, sometimes they bring their video games in, and we usually ask them how to play it, and we have fun. Outside my practice, I usually play tennis. I'm good. I'm okay. I don't play to win. I just play for sports. It's more for exercise. Definitely, I enjoy traveling too. The most enjoyable thing in being a pediatrician is dealing with kids and seeing them grow up. I would definitely recommend PIH Hospital because their motto is patients first. So they really make sure all the patients are well taken care of.